Hello, welcome back to INCG Max. Today we are looking at one logical question now. If fourth root of x minus 1 by fourth root of x equal to 14, then find the value of sixth root of x plus 1 by sixth root of x. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it now. Okay. Okay, how to solve this problem? So here very simple concept, squaring on both sides and then know how to apply one logic. So we'll get the answer very easily. Here we'll get rational and irrational also values of x. At last we'll get the solution. So here first of all we'll take a given fourth root of x plus minus 1 by fourth root of x is equal to 14. So already I told you here you have to do squaring on both sides. So here fourth root of x whole square minus 2 into fourth root of x into 1 by fourth root of x plus 1 by fourth root of x whole square is equal to 196 14 square. So here you'll get root x minus 2 fourth root of x get cancelled minus 2 plus 1 by root x is equal to 196. So root x plus 1 by root x is equal to 198. Sending 2 to that side, you will get 198. Now this is the logic step. So root x plus 1 by root x will be equal to sixth root of x plus 1 by sixth root of x whole cube minus 3 into sixth root of x plus 1 by sixth root of x. This is equal to 198. So let sixth root of x plus sixth root of x is equal to a. Then what will get here? A cube minus 3a is equal to 198. That implies a cube minus 3a minus 198 equal to 0. So here you'll get a cube minus 36a plus 33a minus 198 equal to 0. So here you can take a common. A square minus 36 plus 33 into a minus 6 equal to 0. So here you can write it as a plus 6 into a minus 6 plus 33 into a minus 6 equal to 0. Now here you can take a minus 6 common. So here you'll get a into a plus 6 plus 33 equal to 0. So here you can write a equal to 6 or a square plus 6a plus 33 equal to 0. So here finding the value of a. So here what is a value? A is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here sixth root of x plus 1 by sixth root of x value, we are getting 6. This is one solution. Now the second one, you are getting a is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 96 by 2. So this can be written as minus 6 plus or minus 2i root 24 by 2. So a is equal to minus 3 plus or minus I root 24. So if you take the value, you are getting 6 or minus 3 plus or minus I root 24. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. I believe this information was valuable. If you think so, please do consider subscription. Or if you like this information, please do subscription. Thank you.